In this video guide, I'll provide you with help to get rid of the new adware called TrustedAnalyser. TrustedAnalyser is a new adware that may attack Safari, Google Chrome, and other browsers. TrustedAnalyser, once installed, starts to display its really intrusive ads while you surf the internet. In case this TrustedAnalyser adware was somehow found on your Mac computer, you definitely need to undertake the measures and get rid of this TrustedAnalyser from your system. So, to remove it, you need to go to your Finder, check your applications, find this TrustedAnalyser, right-click on it, and move it to the trash. Of course, if you see anything else that is not familiar to you, get rid of it. Now, to make sure that your system is free of other infections, I do recommend you to research it with Combo Cleaner. Go to the website combocleaner.com, use the green download button, install the software, and then start researching the system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner Antivirus, for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.